Hey there creative minds, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick, how to change the color of any PNG or JPEG icon in Figma, even if there isn't a transparent background. If you've ever wanted to tweak icon colors without spending ages in Photoshop or Illustrator, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know not just the how, but also the clever why behind each step, and you'll be able to give any icon a fresh look that fits perfectly with your design. Alright, let's get right into it. Suppose you have a PNG or JPEG icon. That could be a little download icon, a social media badge, whatever you're working with. First up, after you drag that icon onto your Figma canvas, we're going to add a new shape right on top of it. This can be a rectangle, an ellipse, or even a custom shape. It just needs to completely cover your icon. Think of this shape as a colored piece of paper you're placing over your black and white stencil. Next, pick the fill color you want. Maybe your company uses a specific blue, or your website buttons are all a certain shade of green. Go ahead, give that shape your chosen color. This step is important because Figma will use this colored layer later to tint your icon, effectively recoloring it in just a moment. Now select both the icon and the colored shape at the same time. You can do this by clicking on each while holding down Shift, or by dragging across both layers in your layer panel. With both elements highlighted, right-click and find the option that says Use as Mask. Give that a click. What Figma does here is pretty cool. It uses the visible bits of your original icon as a stencil so that your colored shape only shows through in those icon shapes. It's a quick, almost magical way to change colors without any advanced editing. Sometimes, though, you run into icons or images with a colored or white background instead of transparency. If that's the case, there's an extra step, but don't worry, it's easy. You'll need to install a plugin called Remove BG. You can find it for free by heading to Figma's plugin library and searching for Remove BG. It should pop right up. Install it and then you're ready for the next move. With Remove BG installed, open the plugin, usually just a couple clicks from your right-click menu or the plugins section. Click the image you want to process, and the plugin will automatically remove the background for you. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, but just let it do its thing. Now that your icon has a clean, transparent background, you can go back to the same process. Place your colored shape over it, choose the color you want, select both the icon and the shape, then right-click and hit Use as Mask. Voila! Your icon is instantly recolored, looking crisp and custom-tailored for your design. And that's all there is to it. Even if you've never used masks or plugins in Figma before, these steps are super approachable and can save you a ton of time. Don't worry if it doesn't look right at first. Sometimes you might need to adjust the color shape or make sure your icon's on top or bottom, but with a little experimenting, you'll get the hang of it quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions or maybe you hit a snag along the way, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma tips and design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.